Hey, what's up, guys? So, my favorite social media would probably be Twitter. So pretty much on Twitter, you can just choose people to follow, and they can tweet just words, or videos, or pictures. Pretty much GIFs, anything you want to see. I really like it because it gives me a chance to see a wide variety of things. Whether that be sports, entertainment, news, all of that stuff. I typically use Twitter as, probably my main news source, for better or worse. I typically don't, have time to sit down and read the newspaper or watch the news on TV. So, yeah, I find that most of the news on here is pretty accurate and up to date as long as you're following credible accounts. Most news sources will have their official account on here, so you're getting, accurate stuff. Another feature I like is you can click up here on moments, and it will give you, like right here, it's things that happened today, and then there's different categories you can click on, such as news here. You can click on sports, entertainment, and other areas too. So that's a good way to find the content you're looking for. But overall, what I like about Twitter is it's typically not too serious. There's some good jokes, good sports clips, and such on there, which I enjoy a lot. I probably prefer it over some of the other bigger social medias, such as Instagram, because Instagram is just pictures, and there's not. I mean, there are captions too, but there's just not as much stuff you can do with it. I feel like. Well, that's pretty much why I think Twitter is my favorite. So, thanks and goodbye.